this is just a quick review on how to use this budget planner if you just want a quick video. So I just put the date in right here. I only type in the light boxes. The US dollar is already filled in for me. Then I just go right here to second page, zero-based budgeting, and then I just type in all my income sources and my projected monthly income. Is it reoccurring or not? And then you can review that stat right here to your right. What percentage of your income is reoccurring? These autofill, all these months autofill based on the information you put right here, but you can then change it. So I'm going to put YouTube $200, but I don't expect that every month. So this month I'm going to put 120. This month I'm going to put 150. This month I'm going to put 160. Just this is what I'm projecting, just based on some random numbers. Say I'm stronger in August, and maybe it gets stronger later in the year. I could change these, and then you could see all this data fluctuates based on what I'm changing it to, and it all adds up right here in this total. So then I go to posting, and the posting is where you actually put what really happens in real time. So any transaction you have, you just record that on this page, and then you can see all my categories, including YouTube, popped up right here. So then I could put YouTube, and then I just type in the month, and then say what this actual is, and then I could just hop over to this monthly, and you can see I entered it, and now here it is, YouTube. And projected, and then actual, and then you can see there's a difference of $50. On this page, the only thing you're really going to touch is this part right here where you go between your months, where you choose your months. See, I didn't input anything for YouTube, but I projected 120. I have none, so it's a minus. I just didn't fill this out too much. It was just for the example. But yeah, you can see right here that from what I put on the previous pages, popped up right here. It populated on this page and all these other pages too. So yearly overview. These numbers are going to be very low if you don't fill in all your months. You got to fill in all your months for the actual in order for this yearly to look a lot better. But this is just as the year's going on. We're in April right now as of this recording. So, you would, if you started this at the beginning of the year, you wouldn't have this yearly overview completed until the end of the year. And then here's your Power Dashboard where you just review. The only thing you do is just click between 2 months, and then you could compare the 2 months. You don't have to, you don't import any data on this because it's all from your posting page and your zero-based budgeting page. So yeah, here's your Excel planner. Thank you for watching.